How to change language on Tumblr. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a very easy way to change language on Tumblr. But before we get started, I'd like you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and simply search for tumblr.com. And it will open up the official website for Tumblr. You just have to make sure to log into your account. So once you land on the homepage, all you have to do is on the left side, you'll find different options for your navigation, like Explore tab, Communities, Activities, Messages, Inbox, Accounts. You just have to tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. And once you land on your settings page, if you scroll down a bit here, you'll find all of your information like your password, security, and finally languages. So just tap on language and you can change your language to any of these available ones. For example, if I just change it to this one, it will completely refresh the page and it has been converted to a different language. And if you want, you can translate the entire page on English, and it will the Google Translate will translate everything back. But to change it back, you will have to select English here, and it will refresh the page again. And then your account's language should be changed back again. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.